Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, power down the PC, unplug it, and ground yourself with an anti-static strap so components stay safe. Next, remove the side panel to expose the motherboard and drive bays. You need to identify whether you're installing a 2.5 SATA SSD or an M.2 NVMe module. Once done, locate a free SATA port or the correct M.2 slot and confirm mounting hardware, tray, bay, or screw so the physical installation proceeds without pauses or guesswork. Keep screws and cables handy. Now install the drive. If using a 2.5 SATA SSD, slide it into the bay or adapter, fasten screws, then attach the SATA data cable to the motherboard and the SATA power cable from the PSU. If using an M.2 NVMe, align the gold edge, insert at roughly a 30-degree angle into the M.2 slot, then press down and secure with the standoff screw. Once connected, tidy cables to maintain airflow. Make sure connectors click or feel snug. Loose connections cause detection failures. You finish by reassembling the case, plugging everything back in, and powering on. Enter BIOS or UEFI to confirm the drive appears. If it's a new data drive, you'll then initialize and format it in the operating system. If you intend to boot from the SSD, move it up the boot priority list or clone your old drive and set UEFI/legacy mode appropriately. If the SSD isn't detected, power down, reseat the connector, or try another port, and make sure firmware/BIOS is up to date before troubleshooting further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.